Hi everybody, this is Becky and I'm here today to do a quick flip through of my design team project for Calico Collage. I used one of her new TN sized pages of, I can't remember the name of the kit. It's one of her newest ones. I'll put it down in the comments. I'm sorry, I'm having a brain fade right now. But anyway, this is just an insert style TN sized journal. And it is, let's see, 4 inches wide by 8 1/4 long. And it's about a little over an inch thick. And this, what I did was I gessoed most of the pages to kind of shabby it up so that it would all coordinate. And I did the same on a lot of the tags and stuff. And this is layered. The cover is cardstock. And there's some lace here and fabric. And then there's also a fabric binding for the signature. And I will open it up and show you. It's got velvet, a velvet closure with a rhinestone heart buckle. So you can adjust it. I gave you extra length. Here's one of the tags from the collection. And it's lightly gessoed on the front and back, so you can use write on it or do whatever. This is a tag that I made, mixed media. There's several layers. It start out as a jelly print, and then there's several layers to it, and it's on watercolor paper. And this little ticket here is from her kit as well. And here's the front, birds with the nest. And then when you open it up inside, I tucked in some extra cards and papers and little bags here. This is a pocket. It came with the kit. And this is a paper bag with bees on it. And I have some tags or journaling cards inside here. There's a half sheet, or actually less than a half sheet, of tea stain paper that's also been gessoed lightly. And I have a little flip up here, and it's also a pocket. Guest check. Another page from the kit. And here's a glassine bag that I folded the bottom part up and made a pocket. And there's some paper and journaling cards inside, and those are from the kit. I have tabs here alternating the velvet and also the fabric that I have along the outside. I used up the rest of that strip for tabs. Here's a piece of ledger paper and some of her lined paper from the kit. And here's an old note written on in language that I don't recognize. And another page from her kit. Some music paper, another floral page, some more coffee stain paper. This is another gessoed page. And this is also music paper. And with the music paper, because when I folded it, it was pretty fragile, I went ahead and used a piece of muslin to reinforce it so that it doesn't tear apart on you. Some more of the lined paper. And here is another little flip up with writing and pocket and some more paper. I made this little envelope out of a piece of scrap that I had left over from my kit. And so this just tucks in there. Some more paper. Here's a smaller sheet. I made a smaller sheet. This is such a pretty kit. Okay, on this one I put in a fabric and lace pocket, and here are a couple of the tags from her kit. More paper, paper bag, and I have some index cards in there to write on. This is the center, and there's a smaller two-sided. This little piece is cardstock. And now we're starting on the back half. The other half of the paper bag, and I made it a pocket. And there are some journaling pieces in here. This is just opens. I folded it and it opens. Shorter page. Some more lined paper on both sides. Music sheet. Again, all these white pages are lightly gessoed, so they will take any medium that you want to put down. And that's pretty. I love all the soft, springy colors that she has on this. And I made a little pocket with one of these printables from the kit. Life is like a flower, let it unfold. And I put a tag and a journaling card inside. And glassine bag and some more tags from the kit. And this is the last page, and I have another Happiness Blooms from Within, and it's a little tuck spot. The other half of the guest check. The other part of the bumblebee bag. And here's the back pocket. And here I have this tucked here. I did a fabric collage with some of the card stock, and then you can also tuck something in here if you want to, but it tips out and there's more places to write and put longer things if you want. So that kind of goes over that way. And here's the back. So this will be listed in my Etsy shop, but if you are interested in Calico Collage, I will have links to where you can find her on Facebook and also on Etsy. And I will list the actual kit that this is as well. And that's it. Have a great day. Oh, I did forget one thing. This little pen with the, or pencil with the little stone top also goes in here, because this top layer I have here is divided, so you can actually put something behind in the pocket, and then you can put the pin on this side just behind the lace, and then you can also put a little bit narrower tag right there. So it's just connected right here, so you can put, I don't know, pin or something tall and skinny or whatever, a little ruler. But anyway, that's it. Thank you.